So we are setting up the theoretical background for sustaining the commons, the book we are going through based on Eleanor Ostrom's work on sustaining the commons. And the idea of her analysis system was to think of people's interactions in every situation as an action arena. So there are participants that are interacting in an action arena. Could be a classroom, could be a market, could be a concert hall, sports, whatever, as we talked about before. And there are rules to be followed, right? Otherwise, it'll be completely chaotic. And even if it's just a concert or a classroom, it's happening in a set of environments which can be biophysical environments, or there are cultural attributes associated with the people who participate, and there are rules and regulations. For example, there is a university, there are certain types of students, whether it's a technology institute or liberal arts or whatever, and you have expected outcomes. If you are a student in a class or a player in a soccer game or a cricket game, there are outcomes. You know what your rule is, you know how you are playing with the team, and you are playing against another team. Together you have to try to win the match for your team, with your team being of some meaning to you. And then there are evaluation criteria. Again, they are kind of rules. In a class, you have homeworks, you have to attend lectures, you have to take exams, and then the outcome is decided by the evaluation criteria as well. All this sounds straightforward, and yet for doing analysis across multiple systems in multiple human interactive situations, whether it's using a lake together for water, or it's using a pasture for grazing your sheep, as we talked about in Garrett Hardin's work that started the debate about tragedies of the commons. Could be anything, just sitting together in a concert and listening together, or driving. If you are in the US, you are going to drive on one side. If you're in the UK, you are going to drive on the other side, so that when people follow the rules, life is easier because you know what to expect, because hopefully you will also follow the rules that are there, and everybody will do the same thing. So it's about working together, living together, interacting together, getting the expected outcome. And if there are rules, then there are people who will break rules, and there will be penalties for breaking the rules, like for speeding or breaking the red light, or for hitting another player on a field, or drinking too much in you can imagine. So this is institutional analysis which we are working towards. Okay.